welcome to the channel. My name's Todd and I am on location here at the Roost. And tonight I want to show you a little bit more about these fake windows that we made the other night. I kind of shared a quick view of them the other night on the video that I shared, but I want to go into a little more detail exactly what we did. So both these windows are identical, as you can see here. We started out with putting cardboard onto the wall here. And these are just big cardboard pieces that are like 4x4 that came off of a pallet that they use to kind of separate the product on the pallet. So we fastened those to the wall. And then once those were on the wall, we built these fake window frames. And these are just 2x4s that we kind of fastened to this wall here. And then we took and put like a header up here. And this is kind of interesting here. The headers that we used here are actually left over from last year. They were a guillotine that Aaron built. And it was a really cool guillotine, but it was big and bulky, and so it's kind of hard to store, so we decided to tear it apart and reuse it. So that's where those came from. And then we took and fastened these two black lights onto the header piece here, which will kind of put some light in behind the curtains. And then once we did that, we fastened the curtain rods to it, and then hung some creepy cloth, like this one is right here. So I think they look really cool, pretty neat. We didn't have like 2 white shears, or 4 white shears and 4 of the blue shears. We had like a mix and match. So that's why it has like the crazy combination to it. But we thought it looked kind of balanced if we did it in this manner. So that's why we have like the double colors on the walls there. But I think they turned out pretty cool, and I like them, and I'm happy with them. Now down here, after we built these two, we went and added this wood here. And this wood here is recycled wood from last year. These were wood slats that we used for a skeleton cage. So we built this skeleton cage, and we had these little wood slats to use as the cage itself. So we tore that apart, again because of space limits, and we like to recycle, reuse. And I just fastened them to the wall and made these little designs here to kind of give it to some dimension. And then we just put some brown paint, just to give a little idea of some wood grain on there. And what's really cool is, when you're making stuff like this, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's going to be dark and dingy, and you just want the illusion. It's not like you're going to be here in broad daylight and see a little nick and cranny on it. You just want the illusion of what you got going on here. For example, like over here in the corner, I ran out of cardboard, so I just stuck some black creepy cloth over there to cover that up. And it's fine. I think it'll look great. Now we still might add a few things here before the Halloween party. We'll just have to wait until the night or a couple days before when we actually start putting all the little pieces in and start decorating it. Might throw some more creepy cloth on it or add something, but I'm pretty happy with the way it looks now. And we do have something that's going to go here, but that's going to be a surprise. You have to wait and see. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. And pretty happy with it. So if you like these type of videos, which I hope you do, please subscribe. Until then, I'll talk to you later.